Hello, Champion George Duart here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. As you know, today is, guess what? Sneak Peek Sunday. So we're going to jump right in. We got some amazing, phenomenal deliciousness getting ready to happen here in the next 15 minutes. So just a reminder, as you know, that these first 15 minutes will be recorded, and then the remaining of the show, in order to be able to watch that in its entirety, we need you to go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe and watch that. And for those of you that subscribe today, you will get a special surprise bonus. So let's get right to it. Here we go. Today is the 1/12/2020. So here we're gonna go right in. So we got our stuff all prepped, ready to go. So this is the kind of a recipe that I love, because my grandmother, she used to make what we used to call, she called it spaghetti. Mama Lena, she called it spaghetti. So what she would do is she would put onion. You see here, she would put onion. She'd put carrots in it. Mainly, she'd put onion and carrots. But I love, see all the color here? I love putting the different bell peppers, colored bell peppers. We got the carrots. I'm going to use some roasted garlic that we had. I'm gonna put some roasted garlic in there. This is for the sauce. Use some of that roasted garlic. Here I have, and I'm gonna do a recipe. I'm gonna do a video on how to make this. This is some vegan sausage with some textured protein. So what I did was I put some salt, some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some fennel, some of George's all-purpose rub. This actually is a dry. This is actually dry, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about real quick. And I believe I shared this with you guys before. But if you look here, this is what it looks like. It's just dried soy. So it looks like little pieces of, just it's dry. So what you do is you take and add hot water to it, and it swells it up real nice. Put some hot water, season it up however you want. And I wish you guys could smell this, because it smells just like a sausage, like ground sausage. Man. All right. So we got take the spaghetti. Well, in our house, we like to use linguine. So you put it, follow the instructions on the box. So we're going to take the linguine and put it in. You can come around here, Aaron. We're going to take that, put this in. We got the water nice and hot. Ooh, that water's hot. It splashed on my foot. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. Let the linguine right in. Get in there. And just follow the...
Al Blomquist is watching.
Yeah, what's up, brother? How's your mom doing, brother? Put the spaghettis in here. Well, actually, this is linguine, but you can use spaghetti, but we like using linguine. So we got that in there. So what we're going to do is we put some salt in here. We put hot water, nice hot water. 6 to 8 minutes. We'll let that go. Boom, boom, boom. We'll let that go in here. Stir it up. So that's nice and hot. We'll turn it up just a skosh. We'll let that be al dente. So that's 6 minutes. About 6 to 8 minutes on that. Here we have our pan ready to go for the onion and the garlic. We got roasted garlic. We got all the goodies. We're gonna put this all in here. We're gonna put that all in there. Let that go nice. Now you can add a little bit of oil if you like. I like to not add any extra oil. This is more of a heart healthy recipe, so less oil. So what we have, some salt, some sea salt. Okay, We have some dry cilantro. We got some dry Italian seasoning. Some dry parsley, excuse me. Some dry Italian seasoning. We got some dry basil. So we want that to be nice. You can add just maybe a little water to this. But I got it on about 7. Ooh, that's hot. So we want to let that sweat down nice. And then we'll add the vegan. We'll add the vegan sausage, ground sausage to it after this sweats down. Let me check on the spaghetti. You just keep stirring it.
That sure smells good.
Yeah, it's good. This is well, actually, this is a little linguine. But you can use any kind of noodles you want. We like using linguine. That's hot there. We want that to sweat down nice. Look at that. Look at the color in that, y'all. Who else we got out there?
Rhea Santos.
Rhea, how you doing, champion? We need to get a picture. We got a running joke with Rhea. She gets it. It's awesome. So we have in here, so we have onion, garlic. We got some roasted garlic, onion, 3 kinds of bell pepper, red, orange, and yellow. We have some, that's good. We have some roasted garlic in here. I'm gonna add some more garlic too. No, you can't go wrong with garlic. Add some more roasted garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of Georgie's all-purpose rub to it as well, with everything. You can't go wrong with the garlic, man. Garlic's good for the blood. That's why they kept it from. That's why they gave it to the vampires. Keep them away. I'm only playing. So that's nice. Get that. And as the cooking show ends towards the end, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel to watch the rest of it, because we're just doing a sneak peek. We started that last week. We just do a 15-minute sneak peek of the complete cooking show. To watch it in its entirety, we encourage you to go to our YouTube channel. There's a link below this video. And for subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll get a special surprise bonus when you subscribe today. So we want to sweat this down nice. Now we can start adding the vegan sausage too. And I already have some of our sauce that I made up. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this sausage in here, because you don't necessarily have to go with the whole, because you can use this for probably 2 meals. So what I did 2 cups of called TVP, right, sir?
Textured vegetable protein.
Textured vegetable protein, which is all it is dried soy. Put some more in here. And I add water, hot water. I season it with some of George's all-purpose rub. I season it with some salt, pepper, onion powder. I gotta get some black pepper. Get some black pepper out of here. Here's the black pepper. Add a little black pepper. Got that nice. Excuse me. That black pepper ain't no joke. Look at that. That looks like sausage, don't it? Smell good up in here, y'all. Smells good up in here. And again, just a reminder, make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch all of our past, present, and future cooking shows, how-tos, and how you can inquire about special surprise free bonuses, and how we have amazing, ridiculous offers on our barbecue sauce and our rub. As I said to you last week, we'll be coming out with our vegan cookbook very shortly, so you can inquire about that. So go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and you get a special surprise bonus for doing that. Hit the link below. Share this video, like this video, let the world know, because we're changing people's lives one recipe at a time with some awesome, delicious plant-based food that everybody can eat with a lot of flavor, deliciousness, which is awesome. Who else we got out there?
Just Rhea and Al so far.
Awesome. This smells delicious, y'all. This smells so good. So now I'm going to add some of the sauce that hold on a minute. Before I do that, I want to check these noodles here. They're not quite ready yet. You want them to be al dente. Isn't this? Not quite ready yet. Almost. And you know what's funny? Is that you actually can do that. It actually works. You take the noodles, right? And we did it, I believe we did it on one of our videos. We took the noodles and threw it up against the cabinet door, and it stuck. That's how you know it's ready. It really works. How awesome is that? Make sure if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.
Leonard Jesse Yankowski is watching.
Leonard, what's up, brother? Welcome to the sneak peek. As I said earlier, make sure you guys go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. For those of you that subscribe today, you will get a special surprise, absolutely free surprise bonus. And you get to watch the rest of this video in its entirety. This cooking show in its entirety. As you know, we started this year doing our 15-minute sneak peek videos on our cooking shows. And you can get the remainder of its entirety by going to our YouTube channel, subscribing, liking, spreading the word, letting the world know about we got awesome, amazing, delicious food that's plant-based, that's delicious, that tastes good, and good for you. These noodles are just about ready. What have we got on the clock? Because we got about a couple more minutes, guys.
2:13.
Any questions before we sign off? Because we're just doing a sneak peek here, guys. And we'll be doing the remainder of the video. To be able to watch this in its entirety, make sure you go to the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one recipe at a time, one delicious meal at a time. As I said last week, I'm sick and tired of friends and family members passing away from diseases that we shouldn't be dying from. And the powers that be would rather see us eat garbage as opposed to eating healthy stuff. I'm going to add a little bit of this. What do we got for time?
1 minute left.
Okay, we got about 1 minute left. Any of you guys have a question or comment before we go? Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna add more sauce to this too, by the way. In the rest of the video, rest of the cooking show, you're gonna see me actually making up some more of this sauce, because it's gonna go good. Alexa, cancel. All right, guys. So that's my time for the sneak peek. You guys are awesome. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you also go and watch the remaining of this video. For those of you that subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a special surprise bonus. You guys are awesome. Thanks, Rhea. Thanks, Al. Thanks, Leonard. You guys are awesome. God bless. Till next week, you guys are fired up.